coaching Rokma Wake, the active family member of I Center Champion Batch 100 Days Challenge. Accompany the bestseller author and the dynamic communicator Sir Nagesh Jondhale. Before start my speech, I would like to say thank you very much all the I Center family to give me a golden opportunity to express my feelings about our nation. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today I am deliver a brief speech on Independence Day on 15th of August. We celebrate this day because our country got freedom on this day. In 15th of August 1947 from British rule. Freedom fighters struggled to make our country free from Britishers.
Hello everyone, my name is Rushita Prasad Murgakar. I am a family member of I Center from the Champion Batch. Today I will tell about our Independence Day. 15 August is a very great day. On the 15 August 1947 we got independence from British rule. We should celebrate this day with our great spirit. We should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and all others. All work together to make our country is the best country in the world. I would like to say that we must proud to be Indian.
I am a family member of I Center in Champion Batch. Today I am talking about Independence Day. First of all, wish you happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrate Independence Day. This day is most important day to all Indian citizens. Independence Day is the day when we got freedom from the British rule after many years of hard work by our freedom fighters. Then we celebrate this Independence Day every year on 15 August. Everyone should feel proud to be an Indian. I love my India. Thank you. Once again, happy Independence Day. Jai Hind!
Hello everyone, myself Farali Kiran Misa. I am a passionate family member of I Center from Champions Batch, a company bestseller author Sir Nagesh Jondhale. Today I am going to express my feelings on the occasion of Independence Day. On the 15th August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hoisted the national flag at the Lahori Gate of Red Fort in New Delhi.
Hello everyone, my name is Madhusudan Shivaji Chauhan. I am family member of I Center Champion Batch, a company bestseller. Author Sir Nagesh Jondhale. Today I am going to sharing very useful information about Independence Day. The Independence Day of India is celebrated on 15 August 1947 to achieve this freedom for British Parliament. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev and many other Krantiveers due their lives. Mahatma Gandhi, Savarkar, Subhash Chandra Bose.
Hi friends, my name is Nagesh Jondhale. I am the family member of I Center Champion Batch, a company bestseller author Sir Nagesh Jondhale. Today I am talking about Independence Day. We celebrated Independence Day on 15th August as a national holiday in India, commemorating the India's independence from the British government on 15th August 1947. Freedom fighters struggled to make this country independent. After independence, the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag above the Lahori Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi. I love my country. Jai Hind. Thank you for watching my video carefully.
Hello friends, I am Abhinav Royal Kumar Vakre, the passionate family member of I Center Champion Batch 100 Days Challenge, accompanied the best-seller author and the dynamic communicator Sir Nagesh Jondhale. First of all, I would like to say thank you to all IE Center family for giving me such a golden opportunity to express my thought here about my nation. Today on 15th of August, I am going to deliver a speech on Independence Day. Today it is a great honor me to talk about our independence. Independence is the celebration of freedom we won from British rule on August 15, 1947. On this day, India is celebrating 74th Independence Day. It is with a sense of pride that I can say our great leader fought hard to achieve independence for India. That time we struggled a lot to live because British ruled over 200 years in India. They continued their policy of oppression and injustice. But one day rose, that day was 15th of August 1947. We got freedom. After independent India, we don't have constitution to show us right path of independence. But Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar wrote world's biggest and greatest constitution for India, and we got right path. Now we are living happily only because of Constitution of India and the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. In these 23 years, we have seen progress in our great country in all spheres of life, from agriculture to industry, from planet Earth to outer space. We are now competing to other countries in all technical inventions. In this year 2020 and our country, India and other countries are fighting with coronavirus, means COVID-19 disease. Protect yourself and others from spread of COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe. At last, I would like to say we are Indian firstly and lastly.
Hello everyone, my name is Atharva. I am family member of I Center in Champion Batch. Today I am give you some more information about Independence Day. Today, 15 August, we all have gathered together to celebrate our 74th Independence Day. On this day, in 1947, India became independent from the British rule. Many freedom fighters did their best make our country free. We should remember our great leader.
I am Anga Satish Gaure and I am family member of I Center in Champion Batch. Sir bestseller author Sir Nagesh Jondhale. Today I am going to share very useful information about Independence Day. First of all, Happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrate Independence Day. It is the most important day for our Indian people. On 15 August 1947, we got freedom from British rule. British ruled over India more than 200 years, during which they divided us and controlled us. Thousands of freedom fighters sacrificed their life for freedom of the country. They give more efforts for wonderful, lovely, beautiful and geographical India. Please remember this slogan. Practice, practice and more practice makes man perfect.